In this video, we are going to subtract numbers in different bases. So let's take a look at the first example. It is 234 base 5 minus 142 base 5. So the first thing I want to do is I want to write it vertically. Now, let's start with the right column. 4 minus 2, that is 2. 3 minus 4 I cannot do, so I'm going to borrow from the 2. Change the 2 to a 1. But because I'm in base 5, I'm going to add 5 to this 3. And 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. 1 minus 1 is 0. I don't need that 0 as a placeholder here. And don't forget to write base 5. So my answer for the first one is 42 base 5. Okay, let's take a look at the next example that is in base 7. First thing I want to do is to write that vertically. So now I'm going to start with the right column. 1 minus 5 I cannot do, so I'm going to borrow from the 3. Change the 3 to a 2. Remember, I'm in base 7, so I'm going to add 7 to the 1. And 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 minus 5 is 3. 2 minus 2 is 0. 5 minus 6 I cannot do, so I'm going to borrow from the 4. Change the 4 to a 3. Again, remember, I'm in base 7, so I'm going to add 7 to the 5, which is 12. And 12 minus 6 is 6. Again, 3 minus 3 is 0. I don't need the placeholder. Don't forget the base 7. So my answer here is 603 base 7. Okay, let's take a look at the last example then. But again, I'm going to write this vertically first. Okay, so let's start with the right column. Remember, the A is 10. 7 minus 10 I cannot do, so I'm going to borrow from the D. I'm going to change the D to a C. Now, I'm in base 16. I'm going to add 16 to the 7, which is 23. 23 minus, remember, A is 10, is 13. Well, 13 is D. So I'll write the D. All right, so C is 12 minus 7, that is 5. 4 minus 1 is 3. And don't forget the base 16. So my answer here is 3, 5, D, base 16.